Tonight I've got a nice combo. Firstly, I've got Chili Billy. He's from Marco. He's from the Eastern Cape. Nice, eh?
Nice, yeah.
Nice, he brought me this two jars of like pickled chilies. I know the one is jalapenos, and the other one you say is
Some of the is Santino's. What's it?
Santino chilies. I can't
Something
remember
like that.
now.
But yeah,
But let me tell you, he brought me these two jars, and as you can see, I couldn't wait. And I got into this jar, and let me tell you guys, this is absolutely stunning.
for someone that's a new at making pickling chili and making his own thing.
Yeah, this is his first batch. Just
First
about
batch,
his
first batch,
batch. Chili Billy, and they say, but cowboy candy. This is a range cowboy candy.
It's like a sweet type of vibe.
Really, it is. How I was sitting here with this, and I jumped into this. It's not hot.